Arvind Kejriwal, in his second term, he stopped the CAG report. He blocked the CAG report. And many of controversy, many ghotala are being happened by the Arvind Kejriwal. And he reached out to behind the bars for a long time for money laundering, liquor case, education case, etc. So, after becoming the Chief Minister of Rekha Gupta, just 3 days assembly report of the ministers, opposition, MLAs oath taking ceremony. Here, in the second day, it's raised the CAG report. Second day session, it spoke about the CAG report, which is blocked by the AAP government. So, includes critical audit and assessment of various government program blocked by Arvind Kejriwal. In second day of assembly session, it's raised spoke about this matter, and there have nine state of this type of block happened by the Arvind Kejriwal. That state finance audit report March 2021 blocked by Arvind Kejriwal. Performance audit of prevention of mitigation of vehicular air pollution March 2021 block stopped by Arvind Kejriwal. Revenue, economic, social and general PSU report blocked by Kejriwal. Performance audit of children in need of care and protection March 2021 blocked by Arvind Kejriwal. State finance audit report blocked by Arvind Kejriwal March 2022. Performance audit on liquor supply blocked by Arvind Kejriwal. Sarab Ghotala, State Finance Audit Report, Public Health and Management, Functioning Delhi Transport Corporation. So, this 3 day assembly session, there have by the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta reveal out this statement that this report must have resumed immediately. And the 47 of BJP MLA as well as 22 AAP member, they have taken oath in 3 day session, and as well as the raise concern, it's little bit concerned about Arvind Kejriwal, who is defeat in this election and now home staying for a long time and thinking about Punjab. So this race controversy are being hit back to Arvind Kejriwal. He was behind the bar for 2 years, and if this report are being revealed out and properly to will get investigate, so Arvind Kejriwal will reach out another time to behind the bars.